Hi everyone, let's talk about AI today. If you understand these five terms, you will definitely know more than most of the people. So let's get started. Our first term is tokens. Imagine them as like smaller pieces of text. AI cannot read or understand sentences like we do. So it breaks the sentences into smaller pieces to understand what user is asking. Now coming to our second term, it's a context window. It's an AI working memory. Imagine you have a friend who only remembers the last 10 minutes of your conversation. That's exactly how AI works. If chat gets too longer, it may forget what you have said earlier. So that's why the bigger the context window is, the more information AI can hold. Now, coming to our third term, it's temperature. It controls how AI responds. Do you know that AI can sometimes be so serious and be creative? It all depends on its temperature. With low temperature, it will give you clean, safer answers. With high temperature, it becomes more creative. So you will get more creative answers. Now, coming to our fourth term, it's AI hallucination, which means AI sounds so confident even when it's wrong. That's why you must check information before you trust on AI. Now, coming to our last term is RAG, which means Retriever Augmented Generation. It sounds so complicated, but it's a simple one. Instead of guessing your answers, AI first looks for the most relevant information, such as the document you have uploaded, and then based on that, it gives you answers. So these were the five terms that you should know, and I hope you have understood it properly.